Rajat is an engineer and an MBA from XLRI. He has over 28 years of corporate experience that includes his vast knowledge in organizational culture, behavior transformation, and leadership skills. He is passionate about safety culture and behavior and has provided consulting to numerous organizations for the same. I heartily welcome Rajat Tiwari for this interview. Welcome, Rajat.
Thanks, Vigneshwar, for having me.
Rajat, please tell me something about yourself.
So, I am essentially an engineer and an MBA. I passed out of XLRI in '93. And then I worked with different corporates for about 28 years. My passion, which I evolved in the last 10 years, is related to culture, safety, and behavioral change. And in the last 3 years, I co-founded Transcend, in which we offer consulting to different organizations in safety culture and behavioral change.
That's great. Tell me about this book that you're publishing.
So this book is how to set up a safety management system in 91 days. Mm-hmm. And this book is targeted at MSMEs and at CGDs. So this book actually, we have three of us have written this together. Mm-hmm. And this book is intended to fill up a very big gap which we have seen as per our experience in terms of safety being applied and followed in the MSME sector and the CGD sector. The MSME sector, as we all know, is the micro, small and medium enterprises, and the CGD is the city gas distribution. Mm-hmm. So both these sectors have a need for a better safety management system, and that's the area that we are addressing in this book.
That's great. That's great. Previously I spoke to another colleague of you as well about the same, and this book is basically to help small companies to have a better safety management system overall and how to achieve that. It explains how to achieve that in 91 days, right?
Right.
Thank you, Rajat. The next question I would like to ask you is, how did the idea to write this book come about?
Yeah, well, so all three of us have been in the safety area or environment, especially in oil and gas and in CGD, for quite some time now. Mm-hmm. And as we engaged with different organizations, we engaged with smaller organizations, we realized that many of these small businesses don't seem to have any kind of a safety management system. Mm-hmm. Now, this is because of two reasons. One is because they believe that safety is not a very critical area for them. They don't need to be building a safety management system at all. They can manage without it. Mm-hmm. And the second is that they believe that it will be too expensive for them. They will not be able to afford it.
True.
When we saw this gap and the three of us were discussing about it, we realized that we could address this challenge by writing a book. All three of us brought in different perspectives and expertise to this book. So each one of us was an expert or understood a certain aspect of this book other than what the others knew. Mm-hmm. So we felt that it's a good idea to do it together, and that will be a more wholesome kind of an output in this field. So that's the reason we all came together and we thought of writing this book on safety.
Thank you. Thank you for your answer. I would like to ask you, as is this your first book that you're writing?
This is the first book that I have written. Yes.
Are you planning to write any new book? Is there any plan for another book in the future?
Yes, I have already finished writing my second book, which is on shaping organizational culture for success. Mm-hmm. This book addresses culture transformation at a holistic level, not only for organizations, but for families also. Mm-hmm. So this is a very kind of a labor of love for me, because culture is a passion. I have really researched a lot, and I look forward to publishing the second book shortly.
Thank you, Rajat. As an end note, I would like to ask you if you would like to advise or give a piece of encouragement to other aspiring writers. As I believe this wasn't your profession. Being an author wasn't in your profession for 28 years. So, what would you like to advise other aspiring writers or authors? That one quote that you would like to give.
Sure. I still believe I am not that much of an author that I could advise others. But from what I have learned till now, I would say that the best way to become an author, to become a writer, is to practice writing. Because if you can take up the challenge of writing, say, about 4 to 5 pages a day, before you know it, you would be well versed towards becoming an author. There is no other shortcut to becoming a writer.
Thank you, Rajat Tiwari, for attending this interview, this small interview. Thank you for your time. It was a pleasure talking to you.
Thank you, Vignesh.